To retrieve the Wi-Fi password using command prompt on a Windows computer, you can follow these steps. Type CME in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. To show Wi-Fi profiles, type netsh wlan show profiles. This command displays a list of all Wi-Fi profiles saved on your computer. It's useful for identifying which networks your device can automatically connect to, making it easier to manage these connections. To retrieve password from a specific Wi-Fi connection, type netsh wlan show profile name. Replace profile name with the name of the network you want to retrieve the Wi-Fi password from. Key clear. By using key clear, the command reveals the saved Wi-Fi password in plain text for the specified profile. This can be extremely useful if you forget your Wi-Fi password and need to connect another device.